What you're about to see isn't just a clip, it is an official record from the Midland Police Department that sparked a nationwide debate. On the afternoon of May 16, 2020, a routine traffic stop escalated into a high-tension standoff in mere minutes. When I first reviewed this 16-minute footage, I was struck by how quickly things can spiral out of control due to miscommunication and intense pressure. In this video, we are going to look at everything, raw and unedited. We'll examine the police's approach, the suspect's reaction, and the chaos that unfolded. By the end of this, you'll have to decide for yourself. Was this situation handled with protocol, or was it a tragedy that could have been avoided? Watch closely because every second of this footage reveals a different side of the story.
Step out of the car! Dude, I'm not going anywhere. Step out of the car right now. Driver, roll down the window. Driver, I know you can hear us. Exit the vehicle. You're not free to go.
Driver, you are not free to go. Exit the vehicle with your hands up.
Hey, we're trying to call this subject out of his vehicle. He was eluding me and kind of rolled for a little bit. He's refusing. We got Weston around. We're still trying to just call him out. Rather call him out than approach him. I mean, we don't really have the offensive eluding. He was just avoiding me, and then when I lit him up, he rolled on for a couple blocks, but Tarango does have less lethal. I just would rather call him out, but he's refusing. 1608 East Pecan. Can you keep calling him? Yeah, just keep trying him on the PA.
Driver, inside of the Charger. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. You are not free to go.
Hey, come here. Okay, I don't care. We're on a traffic stop. Y'all get back right now. Get back. Go away. Step back, dude. Come back here. Just walk back. You're not.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
Okay, walk back. Walk back.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
26.2,
Tell me why you stop me. Hey, tell me why you stop me.
Get back.
What's your reason to stop me?
Show us your hands right now. Show us.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
Tell me. What's your reason to stop me? What's your reason to stop me?
Okay.
Why did you stop me?
You ran a stop sign.
Why did you fucking stop me?
You ran a stop sign. Chill out, bro.
No, bitch.
Chill out.
Why did you stop me?
Chill out.
Why did you stop me? Why did you put me over?
We get a couple more units now.
Put me over. Hey, tell him what's the reason to put me over.
We're 10-4. His family's just trying to approach us.
I don't want
Hey.
to nothing. Hey, he's waiting for me to leave right.
Hey,
You fucking waiting on me.
stand up. Walk towards
No,
us.
you don't shoot. You don't shoot. I'm
We're not gonna shoot you. We're not gonna shoot you. Okay, if he would comply, this would go a lot smoother.
Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? What
Hey,
the fuck?
hey,
What the fuck?
hey.
You got the fucking gun you got. What the fuck?
Dude, we just need you to listen to us.
Fuck you.
We need you to stand up. Dude, we need you to stand up and walk back towards our vehicle.
No. Fuck.
Hey, dude, just listen to us. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey, dude. Hey, dude, just stand up. Stand up, man. Stand up.
Nah, I ain't gonna fucking shoot me. Put your guns down. Put your guns down.
Hey, dude,
I'm scared.
okay, all we need you to do, hey, all we need you to do is to stand up, stand up. Hey, dude, Weston, is there anyone else in the vehicle that you can see?
Which vehicle was it?
The Charger? We just need you to walk over here, dude. Stand up, walk over here. Come on, my side, Blanford. Hey, stand up.
Just approach.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to make sure we got enough units, bro.
Let's go. Come on.
Watch the vehicle.
I got hands. Watch the vehicle.
Granny! I just want my granny. I don't want
back up.
Just my granny.
Back up.
Please.
Back up.
Okay, please don't touch her. Y'all, she is 90 years old. Please.
Back up right now. Back up. We're trying to get him in the custody. Back up right now. Okay.
You guys, we need to do that. You guys, we need to do that.
I'm gonna help her up. That way we can get her up, okay?
Well, help me then. Do something. You just fucking sitting there, bro.
My granny.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you up. How are we gonna do this? I'm
help you up.
I'm trying to help you up.
She can't walk without her phone.
I just want to make sure I move up first. Okay, let's get him up and move on.
Get her on.
I can move, y'all let me. I can move. They wouldn't let me move. I said I can walk, I just didn't want to move. I can move, they let me, bro. But I'm not even resisting.
Okay, let's get in the car.
What the fuck, bro?
Knocked over my granny.
What's your name, man?
My name is Todd, bro.
Do you have an ID on you?
It's in the car.
Quit moving, dude.
I'm trying to move that pocket says beginners.
It's this pocket?
The other one. It's this one.
Okay.
Can you just put my pants up on me, bro?
Just hang tight. Sit in here. Sit in here. Move your feet. Move your feet.
I got it.
Can I get her phone? Can you stop yanking me? I will walk you.
Hey, can I speak to the sergeant or something, bro? Why?
You want to speak to my sergeant?
Hey, I want to speak to the sergeant, somebody. I want to speak to the lieutenant.
Okay,
Hey, I want to speak
chill
to
out.
whoever
All right,
had you.
we're not talking. We're not talking.
Because these guys going to jail?
For interference, but you don't take them right now. I haven't ran them. 26.200 run.
Alright. They're the ones that made the stop. I just showed
Is that your car, man? It's not your car. Do you mind if we search it?
No, it's my mama's.
It's your mom's car? Okay.
That's my mama.
Okay.
Why am I getting arrested for it? Why am I getting arrested for it?
I'll explain everything in a second, man.
Is this your? Oh, that's hers.
Why am I getting arrested for it?
You're under arrest.
Why did y'all get pulled over?
Move your feet foot.
Why did I get pulled over? Why did I get pulled over?
I already told you ran that stop sign on people.
I didn't run no stop sign! I did not run no stop sign! I didn't get no bill! I did not run no stop sign! 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 You have no stop sign!
What? Let go!
You go! Stop sign!
We're going.
That fat bitch pushing out. That fat bitch right there. Stop sign. Why you stand there at a stop sign? Why you stand there at a stop sign, bro? Why you stand there at a stop sign? 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 Why you stand there?
No, not right now. We'll get it in a second. I'll give it to you later.
Why you standing there at a stop sign? Why you standing there at a stop sign, bro? Bro, why you standing there at a stop sign? Hey, why you standing there at a stop sign? Hey, my nigga, why you standing there at a stop sign? Bro, what's up? Why you standing there at a stop sign? Bro, that's not right. Why you doing me like that? Bro, why you doing me like that? Bro, really?
We don't take one.
26, 22. We're all 10-4. We don't need the channel. I'm 95
Really,
1 for
bro?
a
You stand over at the stop sign? Bro. Ouch.
10-43.
Ow.
Good done.
Good.
26, 92, advising 10-4, 95, 30 channel.
Clear, thank
Bro, why you stand on the stop sign, bro? Bro, you know I stopped at everyone for you, bro. Bro, really? You gonna do me like that? Is it because I'm black, huh? Like, I was stopped at literally every stop sign. Like, really, dude? Like, why you doing me like that? Like, I did everything you did. Like you told me that. What the fuck, bro? Why? Like, can't you just give me that reason? Like, why? Like, why? Like, you know I stopped at every stop sign, G. You know I did, bro. And you gonna do me like that? You know I did. It's my birthday, too, bro. Look at my license, like, bro, it's my birthday. Like, why? I'm just trying to get bro. On my birthday, bro. I stopped at every stop sign for you, bro. Like, really, G? Like, really, bro, you gonna do me like that? Like, why lie? Like, why lie to them niggas like that, bro? You was a hoe, bro. Like, why lie? Like, I just did everything, dude. Like, I didn't even stop or nothing. Like, I stopped for you, bro. Like, what the hell? I didn't even take an extra pause. For your ass, I knew you was behind me. Like, what's up with that? Like, what's up with that, bro? Like, what did I do? Like, damn, bro. Like, damn, bro.
Oh, no, you're good. Hey, man, once you step out of this vehicle, are you going to be chill with us? Okay. I'm trying to be chill with you, man.
Wow, bro. I don't mind on the stop sign, bro.
Hey,
like, really, bro, you
we're not going to argue. We're not going to argue.
I took it, just stop.
Okay.
Because I knew you was behind me, though, bro.
Can you step out?
Like,
Ty, can you step out, man?
Like, why lie to you, though, bro? Like, I took it.
Walk that way.
Can you listen to those up there, man?
I'll check him once we get in the jail. I'll check him once we get in the jail, man.
Like, you see hurt, like, hurt, like, dead ass, like, hurt, bro.
Like I said, I'll check him once we're in the jail, dude.
That shit was like numb type shit.
Is your other shoe in there, or did it get left behind at the house?
It should be under the seat. I just like do something up like really quick, bro.
I can't. I got too much stuff. Like I said, once I put this
got
stuff
one here
down.
right there. You got one here right there, though, bro.
Yeah, but I need a key, bro. I need 2 hands.
You can like loosen up real
All right,
quick,
let's
so.
go.
Yeah. You should know.
I'll check him once we get in there. Walk to the right. Walk in front of that door for me.
Open the door for the police.
Just have a seat on the left hand. Yeah, let me put this stuff down, dude. Keep that up for me. Face the wall. I don't know, just chill out. These cuffs aren't mine. You know how to use them, dude.
They're above your wrist, that's all I heard.
A full, unfiltered look at the 16 minutes that changed everything for the individuals involved. You've seen how quickly a simple traffic violation turned into a life-altering event. This footage serves as a stark reminder of the gap between ground reality and what we often perceive. I'm curious to know what you think. Did the officers maintain proper protocol, or was the escalation unnecessary? Does the suspect's fear justify his actions, or was he in the wrong? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm genuinely interested in hearing your perspective. If you appreciated this deep dive and the raw analysis, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next investigation report. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.